Patient has been prescribed 12 milligrams of ketamine, so that's the prescribed amount. The stock dose available is 5 milligrams in every 10 milliliters. What volume of ketamine is required? Now, the units are the same. Check the units, milligrams and milligrams. So our unit check is good. We're happy with our unit check. All right. So our volume formula, write it down every time and then you'll get very used to it. We have the amount prescribed. Feel free now to pause this video and try it now yourself before continuing on. So with the amount prescribed multiplied by the unit volume all over the amount per unit volume. So the amount prescribed is 12. The unit volume there is 10. All over the amount per unit volume, there's 5 in every unit. The amount is 5 milligrams in every unit. So that gives us 120 on top over 5. 5 into 1 doesn't go. 5 into 12 goes twice, and 2 over. 5 into 20 goes 5 times. So we get 25, is that right? 25 milliliters. Where have I gone wrong there now? I think I've gone wrong. 5 into 12 goes twice, and yeah, went wrong there. So I did this earlier as well. 5 into 12 goes twice, and 2 over. 5 into 20 goes 4 times. So our answer is 24 milliliters. 24 milliliters is required. You know, because if you had 10 and 10, so you had 2 goes of this, you'd be up to 10 milligrams. And then another 4 mil would bring you slightly up to 2 extra. Right? Think of it, try and think it through that way.